My name is Winston and I'm first year post-production and visual effects student. So Falmouth University has a range of student accommodations for you guys in Falmouth and in Penryn. When you apply for university, you guys will get to choose your preference and your needs, and the university will allocate you a room to help you with that. If you can't find those, the university will also help you find private housing around the local areas for you. So today I'm here in Glasney Student Village in Penryn Campus and I'll be showing you guys my room. Come on down. So here's my room. I'm in a shared room in Glasney Student Village. So it'll be me and my roommate here. And you can see this is my bed. And the bed is actually a folding bed where if I lift it up, it'll be my table. And you can see around here that I have all my things and it's just enough space for me. So here is the bathroom. You guys will get a toilet, a sink and a shower, and each room will have their own personal bathroom. Here in the hallway you can see all my other flatmates' rooms, and there are about 9 of us here living in halls and I love all of them. So in here is the kitchen. This is our communal space where all of us cook our food, have our meals and just get to spend time together. So follow me. So each kitchen you get a fridge, a freezer, cabinets all around to keep your stuff. You guys will also have a microwave, kettle and a toaster for you guys to heat up your food. You guys will also have a stove and oven to cook all your meals, and of course you guys will also get a sink for you guys to wash all your dishes. So yeah, that's the kitchen, and this is really the place where we have a lot of fun and just to hang out with all our flatmates and our friends. So we're here outside, and Glasney as an area has a really nice atmosphere. You get some amazing views around here and I really enjoy just walking out with my friend every day. So when you get your accommodation in Glasney, apart from the keys you have to your room, you guys will also have a security card here to enter your flat. So just to let you guys know that you guys will definitely be safe when you're living here. So that concludes my flat tour. I hope you guys enjoy it. Head on over to Falmouth University's website if you want to find out more. Thank you guys. See you around.